Hey, what is going on guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a battery charge test between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus against the Google Pixel 2 XL. So which one of these phones will finish charging first? Let's find out in this video. First up is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It has a 3500 mAh battery, it comes with a fast charger, and you can see the voltage details on the left, and it comes with a black USB-A to USB Type-C cable. The Google Pixel 2 XL has a slightly larger battery at 3520 mAh, and again you can see the voltage details on the right. It has a fast charger and a white USB Type-C cable. Both of the batteries are flat. I'm just going to switch the power on now and start the timer and take the readings at every 15 minutes or so. So at 15 minutes, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has charged to 18% and the Google Pixel 2 XL is at 23%, which is a 5% lead. Coming up to half an hour, the Galaxy S9 Plus is on 38% and the Pixel 2 XL is on 43%, where it is still maintaining that 5% lead. At the 45 minutes mark, the Galaxy S9 Plus is on 58% and the Pixel 2 XL is on 60%. After 1 hour, the Galaxy S9 Plus is on 77% and the Pixel 2 XL is on 76%. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, the Galaxy S9 Plus is on 93% and the Pixel 2 XL is on 89%. Just checking 5 minutes later, the Galaxy S9 Plus is on 96% and the Pixel 2 XL is on 91%, a 5% lead by the Galaxy S9 Plus. Once again, checking another 5 more minutes later, the Galaxy S9 Plus is on 99% and the Pixel 2 XL is on 93%. Just to be sure, checking 1 minute later, nothing has changed from either of the phones. Once again, checking back after 1 more minute, the Galaxy S9 Plus has finished charging and the Pixel 2 XL is on 94%. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, the Pixel 2 XL is on 95%. At the 1 hour and 45 minutes mark, the Pixel 2 XL is on 98%. Coming up to 2 hours, the Pixel 2 XL is on 99%. Now checking 1 more minute later, the Pixel 2 XL has finally finished charging. It did start off very good, but it did slow down because Google capped the charging speed. So there you have it, the battery charge test between the Galaxy S9 Plus and the Pixel 2 XL. And here is the timer and the percentage at a glance if you wanted to look at that again. So what did you think of this video? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do subscribe to see more content. Like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.